Make questions from a sentence. You can go to the cinema. Question number 1. Who can go to the cinema? Who can go to the cinema? Question number 2. You can go to the cinema, can't you? You can go to the cinema, can't you? And the last question. Where can you go? Where can you go? Now is your part. You have to make questions from a sentence. You can't talk in the library. You can't talk in the library. Try to make as many questions as possible from this sentence and write your answers in the comments below. See you soon. Bye-bye.